My name is Troy Wilson, and I'm a senior on the track and field team, and this is what it means to me to be a LeTourneau Yellow Jacket. When I first came to LeTourneau, my mindset wasn't where it needed to be, but God quickly changed that around for me. During my sophomore year, I got connected into Young Life, and this has just been the biggest blessing in my life because it has shown me where I've needed to grow closer to God. The track and field team has also just been amazing. The coaches that I've had have just poured their time and energy and efforts into me, from traveling to Chicago, California, and Virginia, just to give me every last chance and effort to make it to nationals, as well as my teammates have constantly supported me and have just been there for me along this journey. The professors at LeTourneau really care about their students and make the time to invest in them and pray for them. I'm so thankful that God has brought me to LeTourneau. I don't know where I would be without this school. The professors, the community, the people at this school have just been such an amazing impact on my life, and I'm just eternally grateful for everyone here.